Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about social structure. It is the second chapter of sociology in our nursing profession. So before we know social structure, we must know about society. What is society? Individual is the basic component of society. You can compare it with our body. Like in our body, the cell is the basic component. So you can compare body and society and cell with the individual. Like our body, in society, individual is the basic component. If individual is not present, then society never be continue. Okay, interaction. Next we told about interaction of individual with each other give birth to group. When you create a group, it may be in your social media or in your virtual life, so each people would interact in a group. When you compare it a WhatsApp group, when you create a WhatsApp group, then each people interact with each other. Like WhatsApp group in our society, each people interact with each other. These group interact with one another and development mutual relationship that make society. For make a society, it must be present an individual and their interaction with each other. So it is the shortest from this line. Okay, next, within a society there are pattern and grouping based likeness and difference. Human being is depend on society for their basic need of satisfaction. So what about said? In a society, society is a big things. So in society, it may be likeness and from in between the many people, there various likeness and difference will be present, may be present, because all people are not with the same mind. Some people will like your decision and not some people are not like your decision. So it depend on them. And in this line it say that human being depend on society for their basic needs, for basic satisfaction. Means basic satisfaction means we know about the Maslow pyramid of need in our health and illness chapter. From this need means love and belonging, self actualization, and etc, etc. The society may be viewed as largest number of human being who interact to society, their social need, and who share a common culture. The society may view as the largest number. So in this line nothing defined from the other line, it is same. Okay, next, term society refer to entire humanity during those who are unfriendly or uncivil to the remainder of society. So in this line it is important that society never be differentiate people with their nature. A person may be friendly or may be unfriendly, but you never differentiate these people from our society. Okay, next is the definition by the various scientists like J.H. Fisher and etc. A society is a network of interconnected major groups viewed as a unit and sharing a common culture. So society is a network of interconnected, and so in our society there are many religion present and there are many different culture present, but some culture are common in our society. Like when you enter your room, you leave your shoes outside the room, and it is not depend on different culture, and it is not depend on person. Each person leave their shoes from outside the room. So it is a common culture. It is a definition. Okay, so next, a society is a group of interconnected individual and sharpening the same territory and participating in a culture. So these two definitions seem same. It is not so many variety present. Okay, next, nature of society. What about the nature of society? First of all, abstract. Social relationships are invisible and abstract. One cannot see society or social structure, only its external aspect can be observed. So, what is abstract? Abstract means it is not measure. It is only you can feel, like emotion. Emotion you cannot be measured. It only feel by you. So society is the same thing with your emotion. Consist of people. Society is a composed of people. Without people there can be no society. So in our lecture, the first we can discuss that individual is the basic component of society, and it is the meaning of consist of people. Okay, next. Society is organization in of relationship. Society is the total complex of human relationship. It include whole range of human relation. So in a society there is a big society, so there are various type of relationship, like father, mother and sister, and so many relationship are present in our society. Next is existence of both similarity and dissimilarities. This point we discuss from here, discuss before, so I cannot discuss this about in this topic. So next is division labor. It involves the assignment to each unit or group a specific share of common tasks. When you involve in a assignment, like in your you can let that in our nursing society so many assignment are present in our group. When you take your assignment, their teacher group will be different. Okay, so one assignment is done by the different type of people, and there are the division present. Labor of division means labor means work division. Okay, next is system of stratification. Society is a system of stratification of status and classes of each individual has relatively stable and recognizable position in the social structure. Means let the various type of occupation present in our India. So system of stratification means a person may be a doctor or maybe a engineer. So different type of various in their occupation. So it is, but they all are stable position. It is the meaning of system of stratification. Next is social control. Society has its own way of controlling behavior of its member. Means society has in way. Society has no pressure. It has own way that society control behavior of its member. In a society, many members are present. Society has own responsibility to control his member. Okay, I have no pressure. Mutual interaction and mutual awareness means mutual interaction. When you create a group, there are mutual interaction will be present. This point and previous we learn about the mutual interaction. So same in this point same. So learn about it. Society is a group of people in continuous interaction with each other. These interactions are possible because of mutual awareness. In our modern society, each people are aware about their society. Okay, so society is possible when various type of individual present and their mutual awareness will be present. So this is all about our society and its nature. Okay, bye, and see you in next video.